I've already discussed some of the different goals you might have coming into the real estate program. We looked at specifically the licensing requirements already. For those of you looking to transfer, you're most likely working on those requirements for your transfer institution, UC, CSU, or private university. Side note, very few California universities have programs in real estate. There are some that have like an emphasis, maybe under the bachelor's of business or a different degree. But out of state, there are other opportunities to earn a degree in real estate specifically, but that is not required for you to actually work in the industry here in California. For those of you that are lifelong learners, you might not need any more information on what your goals are, but I want to help you get there. And more specifically, for those seeking certificates, I wanted to show you some of the certificates that are available here in IVC Real Estate. Let me go ahead and share screen. And I'm going to walk you through kind of step by step finding this information because websites change and links change. Here is our ivc.edu homepage. And if you go up to the search, usually there's some sort of search function and you type catalog. This is the official record of the different courses and certificates available at the college. When you find the current catalog, here's 23-24. You can scroll through. This online version of the catalog is very easy to search. And so you can type in real estate here in the search bar and look for the different keywords there relating to real estate. I'm going to scroll through a couple of the headings that we see here on screen. We see courses, which there's going to be a lot of different courses, different programs. That word programs with us does refer to the certificates, but I want to take you to an even more broader perspective or a general view looking at this listed here as a hierarchy of items, but just general real estate here. And this shows you information about the program itself. And so, again, here's information on the general program. And also here we have listed out the different certificates and the associate degree in science. I wanted you to see them all clearly here in one snapshot. I want to walk through some of these with you because these certificates are easy to attain and they do show up on your transcript. So whether, again, you're transferring, this is an additional award that you can show on your transcript. If you're looking to maybe just attain, a goal, you want to reach a goal for yourself. Again, this is some just level of documentation that you can have that shows you accomplished these certificates. The real estate sales certificate of achievement involves just 3 classes. Now, if you'll notice, we just talked about licensing and the licensing requirements at the state of California. You'll see here that these requirements for the certificate match that testing requirement for the state. So you'll see here 2 required courses: real estate principles, real estate practice. And then I have many not optional, elective courses that you can take. Now, I said optional. Maybe you've taken some of these in previous coursework. Maybe you're taking a business degree or you're taking economics or some other college degree, and maybe you've taken some of these. You'll see that many of or all of the other real estate courses that we offer at IVC can be used here to earn the certificate. But if you've taken another class, maybe in management business, in accounting, or even economics, that those courses, I have gotten each one of these courses approved through the Department of Real Estate to qualify for that state exam. Again, if you by chance have taken one of them already. So that's our first kind of level, if you will, only 3 courses, the real estate sales certificate of achievement. The next one I call real estate success. And the idea with this one was to take those 3 classes that you've already taken. Notice those same requirements here. Principles, practice, here's your electives already seen. And then I give you another offering, another additional course opportunity to learn about other general areas of business, entrepreneurship. And so the idea behind this again is to help you in your mindset, not just learn about real estate as an industry or as theory and law, but to look at other aspects of owning a business and how to succeed in that. And so, of course, being a professional real estate agent requires many business functions. and you can learn about more of these here. Again, this is a separate certificate that builds upon the first one that does show up on your transcript. Again, another thing for you to earn along the way. One last certificate is called the Real Estate Broker COA. Again, this one also aligns with the education requirements at the Department of Real Estate. And if you have 2 years of full time experience, you can use this certificate to meet those requirements and take the broker exam at the state. That is not ever required of you at the state level. You can continue to work as a salesperson for your whole career. You don't have to become a broker or get a broker's license, but we have the education for you. Again, slightly different requirements at the state. So this certificate does look a little bit different, but you'll notice that first certificate, real estate sales, that we looked at does overlap with these. And so it helps you get to the certificate level as well. You'll see the different requirements that the state has here. 170, you'll notice real estate principles is not listed here as a required course for the brokers, but it is accepted as one of the electives, which you'll see down here. So you'll see complete one of the following courses in this section. Again, economics, accounting, these are all building on these different certificates that we're working on. Complete 3 of the following. Again, real estate principles is in here, plus some additional real estate courses. And then I just have some suggestions on other recommended electives. But this certificate, you'll see total 24, 25 units for this certificate. So that's potentially for you as you continue in your real estate education for you to earn 3 certificates as you go. And you'll notice that 24, 25 units, we then, if you're interested, we do have a certificate, a degree here, the Associate in Science in Real Estate. So looking here at, again, building on those previous requirements, all the real estate courses, completing one of these courses available. And then you have some additional classes here in management. I threw in some CIM, computer information management, entrepreneurship. And then for an associate's in science, you would also be earning the general education requirements of the college to earn this degree. Hopefully that gives you a little bit more insight into the degrees and certificates that we have for you in real estate. This can, again, just help you have a little bit of accomplishment, show up on your transcripts, and maybe even help you in your transfer journey as you go on to your university.